Hey guys, Sadler Bricks here, and another little set here, Lego set 30411. It's from a friends. It's a flower piece. 75 pieces in this. Take a look, guys. It's not too bad. You got some different colors in there. Let's take a look at this. Opens up. You got some little fruits and stuff in there. See, they pop out. You can put it right back in. Put the little lid back right on. Kind of cute, guys. Really small build. As you can see, we were just looking at that. Just 75 pieces. Lego set 30411. Hope you guys are safe. Hope you like this video. Give us a like or even subscribe. We do these videos all the time. Thank you, guys.